Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the way how you can change the background for your Zoom camera before you join the meetings. So here you just need to open the Zoom application, just tap into the app library search button Zoom, and whenever you found it, you just need to go tap and wait until the application is perfectly open. And now this is the looks whenever your application of Zoom is perfectly open. Now you just need to take a look on this button feature and tap into these three small dots with more information. Go click into the settings with the meetings information, focus on the video, and then you just need to go click or tap into the background and effects. You will get the simulations for your camera for Zoom application, and please take a look on this button feature. You just need to slide this all the way up, and then you will see there will be like a lot of backgrounds that provide by the Zoom application and the history of the background that you ever used. So you can just pick one of them, or if you wanted something new from your photo library, just tap into this plus button and you can get the background from your photo library. Now let's say I would like to use this, so the background will be changed. So now you already got this background with this looks. So that is for today's tutorial, guys. Hopefully you enjoy it, and let's meet again into other tutorial.